आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो गुतरेस सैलाब से मुतासरा इलाकों का दौरा कर रहे हैं। अक़वाम मुतहदा के सेक्रेटरी जनरल जो हैं वो बलूचिस्तान के सैलाबज़दा इलाकों में पहुंच चुके हैं। आपको बताएं कि यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो गुतरेस जो है इस वक्त बलूचिस्तान के सैलाबज़दा इलाकों में मौजूद हैं। उनके साथ वज़ीराअज़म और दीगर लोग भी मौजूद हैं। आपको बताएं कि वज़ीराअज़म और सेक्रेटरी जनरल अक़वाम मुतहदा की बलूचिस्तान के इलाके ओसता मोहम्मद आमद। आपको बताएं कि वज़ीराअज़म और सेक्रेटरी जनरल अक़वाम मुतहदा एंटोनियो गुतरेस इस वक्त बलूचिस्तान के इलाके ओसता मोहम्मद में मौजूद हैं। आपको अहम खबर से आगाह करें कि वज़ीराअज़म और सेक्रेटरी जनरल अक़वाम मुतहदा के बलूचिस्तान के इलाके ओसता मोहम्मद अमन उनके साथ वफाकी काबीना के अरकान भी मौजूद हैं।
Which were 5 to 6 times more than the 30 years record rainfall, and 32 out of 34 districts of Balochistan. And this is the largest province, occupying 44% of Pakistan and rich in mineral resources. Red districts are the heavily affected, and we are here at the moment. This is bordering the province of Sindh, the north of Sindh, where you have just visited and coming from. Excellency, 270 people have perished in last 3 months. The rainfall started on 13th of June and continues until recently. 1.3 million people have been displaced. 185,000 households have been either completely damaged or partially affected. 500 livestock perished. 100,000 poultry have been killed. So a lot of infrastructure has been damaged. Bridges, one railway bridge also caved in. 900,000 acres of land has been affected, agriculture lands and orchards. So the government of Balochistan evacuated more than 125,000 people safely and reached to 1 million of people who were trapped because of the road disconnectivity. We provided almost 119,000 people, families with food packs. There is a gap of 66,000. 56,000 tents were provided. 129,000 tents are still a gap. Because these districts, 5 districts we are here, these are completely inundated. Still the water is there in the fields, houses have been raised. So we even lost half of our healthcare facilities. So we have conducted emergency medical camps. 1,476 camps have been held in these 3 months, and more than 353,000 people have been treated. At the same time, 540 veterinary mobile camps have been set up, and more than 1.4 million animals have been treated, and 829,000 vaccinated. Next. So now we briefly focus the 5 districts which have been completely inundated and where we are here. These are 2 slides pictorial. This is a rescue effort going on. These are the fields, and these bridges and roads completely collapsed. This is the railway bridge which disconnected the upper Sindh with Kohinoor. So this bridge is under construction at Much in Bolan Valley. And we had to rescue, we had to reach to the people through helis to supply food stuff. Excellency, we have prepared a brief rehabilitation plan. 185,000 houses badly affected, and the joint survey by federal and provincial agencies is under process. Will be completed in 2 phases by end of September and at end of October. We estimate USD $245 million needed for reconstruction of those houses, and this rough estimate may increase. 9 lakh acres of crops have been completely damaged, or means I would say 0.9 million acres, or 400 hectares of land, 400,000 hectares of land. So we estimated 30 billion rupees, approximately $130 million needed to rehabilitate those who have been completely affected by these. Excellency, we prepared a complete Balochistan rehabilitation package, and I'm not going into the details. We have this package needed USD 1.028 billion to complete rehabilitate the physical infrastructure, the health, vet facilities, schools, colleges which have been damaged, and the houses which have been damaged completely or partially. So way forward, this is the last slide. Excellency, Government of Pakistan and Government of Balochstan have been financing the rescue, rehabilitation, reconstruction phase, but the disaster is colossal, beyond comprehension and beyond the capacity of the provincial government. So we have requested approximately USD 1.028 billion from the federal government. UN OCHA has completed rapid damage assessment in 10 districts, and the rest of the districts are underway. And rehabilitation survey is also likely to be completed soon. Proper studies on climate resilient cities and infrastructure is the need of the hour, and effective coordination, proper management and transparency will be ensured. There is an urgent need to support from UN and donor agencies in the shape of grants, whether in cash or kind, because the people are waiting for their houses to be rebuilt where they can be set.
जैसे अल्लाह की तरफ से ये चीज़ें जो हम पैदा किए उसने हमारे ऊपर ये चीज़ें आई हैं, और ये सख्तियाँ कौमों के ऊपर आते हैं। हमें ये चीज़ें आए हैं, इंशाल्लाह हम तैयार तो नहीं है, लेकिन ये कि हम किसी के सामने ये नहीं कहें कि हमने पैसे दे, लेकिन जो अल्लाह ने लाया और उसके ज़रूर ज़रिया किसी को बना देता है, कोई भी ज़रिया बन जाता है। हम इस चीज़ के लिए
Excellency, the Chief Minister is saying that this calamity, this challenge has come by the act of the nature, by God. But this has also offered opportunities. The challenges are colossal, and we have to respond with the help of the federal government and the donor agencies abroad.
हेल्प तो अल्लाह करेगा,
Help
और ज़मीन पे जो ज़रिया बन जाए वो उनका नसीब जो बना देता है, अल्लाह खुद ज़मीन
Okay, God will help, and people would like to reconstruct and rebuild themselves.
I may say something. There is only one point I disagree. Can translate?
Yeah. एक चीज़ है जो मैं उसे इत्तेफाक नहीं करता जो आपने
I
कही।
also believe in God.
Yeah. No.
But it was not God. It was the humanity.
Yeah.
Carbon emissions.
Carbon emissions and
Climate change,
waiting
global
for
warming.
nature.
इंसान का
And
किया था
the nature
किया
is
किया तो
striking
हमने,
back.
लेकिन फिर भी अल्लाह ताला ही
So it's the responsibility
Iran,
of human beings.
Agreed.
जो नुकसान हुआ है उसका हेल्प अल्लाह करेगा, ज़रिया कोई बन सकता।
God will help, but UN or the federal government or the other donor countries will be helpful.
Excellency, this is the largest province of Pakistan in terms of geography, in terms of population. It is very large. But distances are very large, and remote areas, and to reach to those areas is a very, very difficult task. Whatever infrastructure they had, it washed away. We just saw a railway bridge which was built during the time of British Raj. That's gone. And bridges, flyovers, I've seen myself touring all these areas along with the Chief Minister. It's been terrible here. And they are all trying their best. They are trying to provide shelter, food. But this province, as I say, has lots of natural resources by the grace of God, but it lacks in terms of resources, in terms of finance and other resources. Then we need to focus this province after same very sharply. And in that, I think your interaction with the international community would be very, very helpful, because they have to travel long distances. Road is not available, communication is not available, transport is not available, and look at the flight. So I think this province also needs equal attention.
We go to the affected families in the tents.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो गुतरेस की सैलाब से मुतासर इलाके बलूचिस्तान के इलाके औसता मोहम्मद आमद उनको ब्रीफिंग दी गई और उनको बताया गया कि मौसमियाती तब्दीली की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा बारिशें हुई। सैलाब से बलूचिस्तान का बड़ा हिस्सा मुतासर हुआ। सैलाब से लाइव स्टॉक और ज़राअत तबाह हुई। सड़कें और रेलवे के जो ट्रैक हैं वो भी बड़े पैमाने पर तबाह हुए हैं। आपको अपडेट करें कि अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो गुतरेस का सैलाब की तबाहकारियों के हवाले से उनको ब्रीफिंग दी गई। यहाँ पर लेंगे एक शॉर्ट ब्रेक, हमारे साथ रहिए।